Hello all, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. A great news for you, Akamai is hiring through us. So it is hiring for release engineer and the salary offered is 8 to 10 LPA. It's a damn great salary to start your career with. Let us see who are eligible for this notification. Coming to the eligibility criteria, BE BTech from CS, IS, IT, ECE and EEE branch. All these people are all eligible for this notification. There is a note over here, 65% throughout is required. 10th, 12th graduation or post graduation. So they are specifically looking for 2020 batch. If you are also from 2019 or 2021 also do apply. There is also a chance if you are meeting the eligibility criteria. So now let's talk about the job roles and responsibilities part. Providing technical expertise on release process management, support our build and release systems across our globally distributed team, designing and implementing tools and CI/CD pipelines that automate building, testing and release software, communicating designs and implementation within the team and other groups across the company, managing and facilitating engineering and release plans, execution and workflows, and next, installing, maintaining and improving virtual or containerized machines used for testing. The last point is collaborating with other software engineering teams to influence and shape the design and product development process. So now let's talk about the desired skills. These are the must things if you want to crack this job interview. First one is demonstrate expertise in build systems and release train management, planning, communication and coordination. If you are only having basic knowledge, just watch YouTube videos and gain knowledge before going for this interview. And the next point is have experience with Linux or Unix scripting languages such as Python or Shell. Have good knowledge of test automation frameworks, release workflows, and deploy build tools Jenkins. Be familiar with CI/CD, Docker, and version control systems such as Git and Perforce. Be a good team player and able to collaborate with people from across the business. So there are a lot of benefits for you. You can do work from home and you can start early and you can finish early and you can start late and also you can finish late. So again I'm telling you salary offered is 8 to 10 LPA. The permanent location is in Bangalore, but don't worry, as of now, these conditions, you can do work from home. So here they are clearly saying that work from home until office resumes and candidate will be provided with laptop post selection to work from home. So you'll be given laptop. So don't worry, and Bangalore is also having lockdown. So do not worry, for sure if you are selected, they'll be giving you work from home. So people who doesn't know about Akamai, it's a very big company innovating on a global scale. We deliver our customers a fast, smart and secure intelligent edge platform working against a backdrop of digital collaboration. Our highly skilled teams drive progressive solutions that have the scope to transform entertainment, business and life in ways that we have yet to imagine. It's a very good company. Some years back, I have personally visited this Bangalore office of Akamai. It's a damn great environment to work with. So all the best guys, the link is already there in the description below. Just go there, click on the link, come to this page and apply right away. So all the best for the interview. We are coming up with much more notification video for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.